Today, I'm going to be talking about my top 2 reasons why I think silver went down. Guys, in this video, we're going to talk a lot about my opinion. If you need financial advice, please seek a licensed professional because I'm not one. I'm just a guy. So anyway, as you know, silver is a long-time investment vehicle, as with stocks and many other forms of investments. The first thing we want to understand about silver, it takes time to invest it. You can't buy it today and expect to make a profit tomorrow. Now, the recent decrease in silver is due to a lot of factors, but I believe there are 2 main factors in which have caused silver to decrease today. And I'm not talking about something that happened yesterday or last week or last month. Let's go a little bit further back. Let's go back to a couple years ago when the stock started getting volatile and you had the short squeeze. That was something that led up to it a little bit, but that wasn't the main factor. The first thing I think that led up to today's price decrease is about a year ago. The Feds decided, let's stimulate the economy. Let's start raising the interest rates. And they have been doing it so aggressive. I mean, you're talking 25 plus basis points for almost a year. And when you do that, something's got to give. Well, silver was one of those things that gave. And there's something else that gave, which is going to be my second reason. But right now, we've entered phase 1 of the 2023 banking crisis. We're still going through phase 1. Phase 1 is basically where banks fail. There was a rush on cash. Phase 2 is part of the second reason, where the banks tighten their loaning structure. But there's also an increased industrial demand because some companies need loans to operate. Now, this is part of phase 2, but I'm not going to cover phase 2 yet. And, of course, phase 3 is a possible recession. So, basically, phase 1 is due to the federal government with their aggressive rate hikes. And over the long term, that affected silver. Now, my second one is also phase 2 of this banking crisis, a slowed industrial demand. Well, you know what a slow industrial demand means? It means there's not as much silver being used in industry, with industry being one of the main, I guess you could say, factors in determining the price of paper silver. It's going to affect the paper silver. Now, remember, paper silver, physical silver are 2 different things. That's why you have this, what they call premium. Premium is the difference between the paper and the physical. It's pretty plain and simple. I mean, people say, I should be able to get it for what I see. You're not going to. So what I'm saying is we are coming into a recession. And before we get out of this recession, you're going to see silver slowly go up. Again, my opinion, I think it's going to slowly go up. I think we're going to have a rough ride. There's no doubt about it. There's no doubt about how long it's going to last because we don't know. We do know if the debt ceiling is not met by June the 1st this year, again, something's got to give. Whether it be silver go through the roof, we don't know. Whether it be they meet the debt ceiling and silver comes down a little bit, if we only had a crystal ball. So guys, my opinion is simple. The 2 factors, the Feds, they're at fault. They're at fault for the banking crisis. They're at fault for the lower price in silver and the lower silver demand, which is again caused by the Feds. So there you have it. My opinion. Feds, low demand in industrial. So guys, I appreciate you watching. If you haven't already subbed this channel, give me a sub, give me a share, give me a like if you like this video, and stay tuned for more content in the future. Have a great day.